Welcome to my detailed review of Jassway, a platform that promises to offer a variety of financial services designed to make your life easier. When I first signed up for Jassway, I had some high expectations. The platform provides a suite of features for financial management, which I was eager to test out. Upon registration, I found the process fairly straightforward, although not as fast as I would have liked. It does offer some customization options, allowing users to tailor their experience, but the interface could be more intuitive. One of the first things I noticed was how simple it was to navigate through the core functionalities. However, there are some design elements that feel a bit outdated. The dashboard could be more polished, especially when it comes to tracking transactions and viewing detailed insights. When it comes to customer service, Jassway offers decent support. There's a live chat option available, but response times can vary, which may be frustrating if you encounter any issues. Their FAQs are helpful, but there's always room for improvement in terms of troubleshooting resources. The platform is designed to work for both personal and business use, making it versatile. However, as I dug deeper into some of the features, I realized that some tools are more geared toward professionals, and beginners might struggle to get up to speed with certain aspects of the platform. Need unlimited virtual cards for business or personal use? Wallister lets you create, customize, and manage cards instantly. No hidden fees, no paperwork. Create a free business account right now using the link in the description. One of the standout features of Jassway is its integration with various financial tools, making it easier to manage multiple aspects of your finances in one place. But there are limitations when it comes to advanced analytics, and more advanced users may find the reporting capabilities lacking. While Jassway is promising, it's not without its issues. It offers a good set of tools, but there's a noticeable gap when it comes to personalization and advanced options. For those looking for more in-depth control over their finances, this might not be the perfect fit. If you're looking for a straightforward financial tool with a few limitations, Jassway may be a solid choice. But if you need more advanced features and a smoother user experience, there are other platforms that might better suit your needs. Don't forget to check out the useful links in the description for more resources on how to use the platform effectively and to get the best out of your Jassway experience. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you found it helpful. Your support helps me create more content like this.